Yeah, 2025, AI is everywhere. And the crazy part, people are making huge money with it. But how? In this video, you'll learn 6 AI-powered ways to make money in 2025, no coding required. Let me break it down for you step by step. Step 1. Affiliate marketing. Make money without creating anything. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI? Affiliate marketing. Think of it like this. Imagine your friend tells you about an amazing new AI tool that helps businesses write emails in seconds. You try it, love it, and start recommending it to others. Now imagine getting paid every single time someone signs up through your link. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Literally, CustomGPT.ai offers up to 20% commission on all sales for the first 2 years. Their AI-powered chatbot platform helps businesses automate customer interactions, making it a high-demand tool. Another one, 10Web is an AI-powered WordPress website builder and optimization tool. They offer 30% commission on subscriptions, making it a solid option for affiliate marketing. It works best if you have an audience. Maybe a YouTube channel, a blog, or even just a strong LinkedIn presence. Just create content around AI tools, share your referral link, and watch commissions roll in. No product to build, no customer service, just getting paid for recommendations. But AI isn't the only niche. Boomerangme helps businesses grow with digital loyalty cards and automated engagement tools. Our affiliate program pays 40% commission on all delivered payments, forever. With high retention rates and long-term subscriptions, it's a profitable way to earn recurring income. Follow the link in the description. Step 2. Build and sell AI chatbots. Businesses are obsessed with automation, and AI chatbots are one of the hottest things right now. Restaurants, law firms, real estate agents, they all need AI-powered assistants that can handle customer questions 24/7. Here's the opportunity. You don't need to build a chatbot from scratch. Many platforms let you create one in minutes. Then you sell it to businesses as a monthly service. For example, imagine a local pizzeria. Instead of paying someone to answer calls all day, they could use an AI chatbot to take orders, suggest deals, and answer common questions. If you set this up for them, you can charge a monthly fee and boom, recurring income. One of these tools, BotMother, that can build a custom chatbot for you really quick. Here's how to set up your own WhatsApp bot using this tool. Number 1, in BotMother, click Create New Bot and choose Empty Bot. Number 2, under Settings, pick WhatsApp. Number 3, if you don't have a WhatsApp Business API account, create one through Meta. Number 4, copy your temporary access token and phone number ID, then paste them into BotMother. Number 5, in Meta, add a webhook URL and confirm it. Number 6, then just test your bot. That's it. Now you have a 24/7 chatbot that can make you money. Step 3. AI for content creation. Make money without writing. Content creation is huge, but writing blog posts, scripts, and ads takes time. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper come in. Freelancers are using these tools to write 10 times faster, charging the same rates, but doing the work in half the time. Think about it. If you normally write 5 articles a week, AI can help you write 15. That's 3 times the money for the same effort. It's not just writing. AI can help with graphic design, video editing, and even voiceovers. People are selling AI-generated TikTok scripts, YouTube thumbnails, and even full marketing campaigns. The demand is insane. Step 4. AI for e-commerce. Smarter online stores. If you're running an online store, AI can supercharge your sales. Here's how. Number 1. AI tools like Quailtrix can analyze customer behavior and suggest products they're likely to buy, so businesses can quickly pivot their strategies based on real-time insights from the surveys, ensuring they remain competitive. Number 2. AI-powered pricing software can adjust prices in real time to stay competitive. And one of these tools, dynamicpricing.ai. This one includes price testing, stock optimization, adaptive pricing. Number 3, AI chatbots that can handle customer service, saving you time and money. A perfect example, Amazon. They use AI for everything, from recommending products to optimizing delivery routes. But even small Shopify stores are using AI now to make more sales without hiring extra employees. Step 5. AI course creation. Teach others, get paid. People are hungry to learn AI, but most don't know where to start. That's why AI courses are exploding in popularity. You don't need to be an expert. If you learn how to use AI tools effectively, you can create a simple course and sell it. Platforms like Udemy and Gumroad make it easy. You can record the course once, and now it sells over and over again. That makes passive income every month. Step 6. AI licensing. Build once, sell forever. This one's for people who want to go big. If you create an AI-powered tool, you can license it to companies instead of selling it once. Think about Nvidia. They license their AI to self-driving car companies and make billions. You don't need to be a tech giant to do this. If you create a useful AI tool, like an AI-powered resume writer, ad generator, or something, you can sell access to businesses. The best part, once your AI tool is built, companies will keep paying for access without you having to do much more work. And again, you don't need to be a programmer to do this. Platforms like Microsoft Azure AI let you create AI-powered tools using pre-built models. No coding required. You can develop your own AI assistant or content generator and then license it as a subscription service. For example, using Azure AI Studio, you can build an AI-powered research assistant that helps businesses find insights faster. Or with Azure OpenAI service, you can create an AI tool that generates high-converting ads in seconds. Once your AI is ready, you can host it on Azure, sell API access to businesses, or package it as a SaaS product. This means you earn recurring revenue while your AI works for you. AI is creating so many new ways to make money, whether it's affiliate marketing, chatbots, AI-powered content creation, or e-commerce optimization. There's an opportunity for everyone. And here's the thing, AI isn't slowing down. New tools are launching every day, and businesses that know how to use AI will dominate. If you want to stay ahead, learn how to make AI work for you. Also, check out our website to learn another great way to make money in 2025 with our loyalty program. And don't forget to subscribe.